apologies, my reflection and rather distorted image are going to appear in this video. It wasn't supposed to be like that, but I didn't notice until later.
So everybody, I got this new Accurascale Class 37 this week. You've just seen a Hornby model go past, and now you're about to see a Batman Class 37. And you won't be surprised with what livery I've selected for this model, because it's a Derby based firm and it's one of my favourite, the Rail Operations Group. Well, here it is. Straight out the box, not running, not even switched on. This is the sound equipped version, and I'm going to hope it works. Detail wise, it looks pretty impressive. Yeah, looks really nice. But let's see how we go on.
It was at this point I decided to open the model, remove the decoder and check the switches as per this, as only 1 and 3 should be on with an ESU decoder, and I discovered that 2, 4, 5 and 6 were on. So since the sound decoder was installed by Accurascale, it should have really been set up correctly, and it wasn't. So I set the correct ones and then I got my model out.
Very nice. Going to move the box now to run it properly.
Just an update, I emailed Simon in Accurascale support. He asked me to send a photograph of my correctly set switches and then did a return. So it's gone back today to have the lights repaired, but I love the model, sounds great, looking forward to getting it back again.